Most people shopping for a used car right now are hunting the same shortlist: Toyota Camry, Honda Civic, Honda Accord, and the dealers know it, which means those vehicles are priced accordingly. The moment something becomes the obvious answer, the deal disappears. But there are three vehicles sitting on used car lots right now that almost nobody is seriously looking at. Vehicles with verified reliability data that rivals anything on that popular list. Vehicles with annual maintenance costs that will shock you. And used prices so low that buyers who find them describe it like discovering money left on the table. Today we are covering all three. Cheap, ignored, and if you know what you are looking at, absolute gold mines. Before we get into the three vehicles, here is the framework for why these specific picks matter. The used car market in 2026 is still running hotter than buyers want. The average used car listing price through late 2025 was $25,730, according to Consumer Reports. That means finding a genuinely reliable vehicle for under $15,000, let alone under $12,000, requires either getting lucky or knowing something most buyers do not. The three vehicles on today's list share a specific combination of traits that creates the gold mine situation. First, they are either discontinued or widely overlooked, which suppresses demand and keeps used prices lower than reliability justifies. Second, their annual maintenance costs all come in well below the national average of $652, according to RepairPal. Third, every one of them has a documented track record of longevity that owners talk about constantly, but that almost nobody outside those owner communities knows about. One thing worth saying up front: discontinued does not mean unsupported. Parts availability and mechanic familiarity for all three of these vehicles remain strong. You are not buying something stranded without service options. You are buying something the market forgot about, which is a very different thing. That last point is exactly why the opportunity exists. These are not hidden because they are bad. They are hidden because they are quiet, and quiet is where the value lives. Subscribe if you like smart car buying advice. New videos every week. Car 1. Toyota Prius V. Most people have heard of the Toyota Prius. Almost nobody talks about the Prius V. And that gap between name recognition and reality is exactly where the opportunity sits. Toyota produced the Prius V from 2012 through 2017 in the United States. It was a wagon-bodied version of the standard Prius, built on the same hybrid platform with the same powertrain, but with significantly more cargo space, more rear passenger room, and a roofline that made it genuinely practical for families and anyone who regularly needs to carry things. Toyota discontinued it not because it failed, but because American buyers were gravitating towards small crossovers instead of wagons. The product was solid. The market just moved. Here is what that disconnect created in the used market. And because most buyers do not even realize it exists, used prices have stayed remarkably low for what the vehicle actually delivers. A clean 2015 or 2016 Toyota Prius V with reasonable mileage can be found in the $10,000 to $14,000 range. That is Toyota hybrid wagon practicality and 42 combined MPG for the price of a base trim EconoBox. The reliability data is what makes this a gold mine. RepairPal gives the Toyota Prius V a 4.0 out of 5.0 reliability rating, ranking it 4th out of 24 midsize cars. The average annual repair cost is $437, well below the national average of $652 and below the $526 midsize car average. The probability of any repair being a severe issue is just 9%, compared to 12% for all vehicles. The hybrid battery question is the one most buyers ask about older Prius models. Here is the honest answer. Many original batteries last well past 150,000 miles, and replacement costs have fallen significantly as the used Prius market has matured. Third-party refurbished units can now be found for $1,000 to $1,500 installed, a fraction of what they cost a decade ago. The battery concern that once justified avoiding older hybrids is no longer the deal breaker it used to be. The practical case is equally strong. The Prius V offers 34.3 cubic feet of cargo space behind the rear seats compared to 21.6 in the standard Prius hatchback, wagon territory. Add 42 combined mpg and the annual fuel savings versus a comparable non-hybrid in the same price range typically runs $700 to $1,200 per year, depending on driving habits. The best years are 2014 through 2017. Stick to those, get the service records, and this vehicle is one of the most cost-efficient used buys available in 2026. Car 2. Honda Fit. The Honda Fit was discontinued in the United States after the 2020 model year. Honda's official reason was declining small car sales as buyers moved to crossovers. The internet's unofficial theory, only half joking, was that the Fit was simply too reliable to generate enough repeat business. Neither fully explains why discontinuing it was such a loss for used car buyers who know what they are looking for. The Honda Fit is one of the most capable small cars ever sold in America. Not capable for its size, just capable. The magic seat in the rear, where the bottom cushions flip up or fold completely flat, creates a cargo flexibility that full-size crossovers charging twice the price cannot match. Bicycles, furniture, musical equipment. The Fit swallows cargo that has no business fitting in a subcompact, which is exactly where the name came from. But it is the reliability data that earns the Fit its Goldmines status. RepairPal gives the Honda Fit a 4.5 out of 5.0 reliability rating, ranking it 4th out of 21 subcompact cars. The average annual repair cost is $390, one of the lowest figures in the entire RepairPal database and $262 below the national average of $652. The probability of any repair being a severe issue is just 9%, compared to 12% for all vehicles. Honda consistently ranks near the top for reliability across all brands, and the Fit represents that reputation in its most concentrated, lowest-cost form. The used pricing situation is where the value lives. Because the Fit was a small, unglamorous car that most buyers overlooked even when new, its discontinuation did not create the price surge that hit more beloved models. A clean 2018 to 2020 Honda Fit EX or EXL with Honda Sensing Safety Suite, heated seats, and a sunroof can be found in the $13,000 to $17,000 range. A 2020 Honda Fit was a $22,000 vehicle new. You are paying $13,000 to $15,000 for a 5-year-old Honda with near-perfect reliability scores, $390 in annual maintenance costs, and 36 combined mpg. One honest note on higher mileage examples. Some may need routine intake cleaning as part of regular maintenance. It's a straightforward service item, not a red flag. Otherwise, the Fit's known issues list is remarkably short. If you find a clean example with service history, it is one of the safest used car purchases available at this price point in 2026.
Car 3. Buick Verano. This is the one that surprises people the most. Not a Japanese car, not a brand most buyers associate with reliability, but the data on the Buick Verano is consistently strong. The used prices are remarkably low, and leaving it off this list would mean ignoring one of the best overlooked value plays in the current market. The Buick Verano was produced from 2012 through 2017. Buick discontinued it when the brand shifted focus to crossovers. At the time, it was a genuinely competitive small luxury sedan, quiet cabin, premium interior materials, smooth ride quality, that was largely overlooked by buyers who defaulted to the Honda Civic, Toyota Corolla, or Mazda 3. Most people who never owned one never gave it a second look. That is the opportunity in 2026. RepairPal gives the Buick Verano a 4.0 out of 5.0 reliability rating. The average annual repair cost is $478, below the compact segment average of $526 and well below the national average of $652. The figure that stands out most in owner data is this. Verano owners report fewer unexpected repairs than most compact sedans. That means fewer surprise shop visits, fewer unplanned bills, and an ownership experience that stays predictable year over year. For a vehicle you can find for under $11,000, that track record is genuinely difficult to match. The interior is the other half of this story. The Buick Verano was built to a near-luxury standard. Quiet cabin insulation that car and driver noted was genuinely impressive at this price point. Soft touch surfaces, available leather seating, and a ride quality that felt completely different from anything in the Honda Civic or Toyota Corolla class. For buyers who spend real time in their vehicle and value interior refinement without European maintenance costs, the Verano delivers an experience that is disproportionate to what it costs used. One honest note on model years. Later models tend to have fewer reported issues, and the 2016 and 2017 Buick Verano are the years reliability analysts and owners consistently point to as the most resolved version of the vehicle. Those final 2 years received strong marks in J.D. Power's Vehicle Dependability Study. A clean 2016 or 2017 Buick Verano can be found on the used market for $8,000 to $11,000. Near luxury interior, below average maintenance costs, fewer unexpected repairs than most compact sedans for under $11,000. That is the definition of a gold mine hiding in plain sight. Here is what all three of these vehicles have in common, and why the buyers who find them feel like they discovered something everyone else missed. The Toyota Prius V, the Honda Fit, and the Buick Verano all sit in the same blind spot. Discontinued not because they failed, but because the market moved towards something trendier. The buyers who chased trends paid the premium for that preference. The buyers who chased data got the same quality, and sometimes better, for a fraction of the price. That is the used car goldmine formula. Find a vehicle with above-average reliability data, below-average ownership costs, strong parts availability, and a used price suppressed by low demand rather than low quality. Find a clean example with service history, and let everyone else overpay for the obvious choice while you drive something that costs less and breaks less. 3 cars, all of them ignored, all of them gold mines. The Toyota Prius V, a Toyota hybrid wagon with 42 mpg, 4.0 out of 5.0 on RepairPal, $437 in annual repair costs, and used prices starting around $10,000. The Honda Fit, one of the highest reliability scores in the entire class, $390 annual maintenance costs, the best cargo flexibility of any car at this price, and used prices that should honestly be higher than they are. The Buick Verano, near luxury interior, fewer unexpected repairs than most compact sedans, $478 annual costs, and a used price under $11,000 for the 2016 and 2017 models that almost nobody is seriously shopping right now. All three are on lots today. Most buyers will walk right past them. That is your advantage. Which one would you actually buy? Drop it in the comments. And if you want more videos like this, reliable cars, overpriced cars to avoid, and the data behind every decision, hit that like button and subscribe. New videos every week. Thanks for watching.